Hey there, folks. I'm Uncle DIY, and today I'm here to talk about an absolute classic, the NES game Phantom Fighter. Back in the day, when this game was released, it took the gaming world by storm. Phantom Fighter quickly became popular among gamers of all ages. As soon as you start the game, you're thrown into a terrifying world. You play as a martial arts master, venturing through 8 zombie-infested towns to take on an evil witch. The settings are eerie, with dimly lit streets and creepy graveyards. These aren't your ordinary zombies. They move in strange, unpredictable ways, making each encounter a heart-pounding experience. But the gameplay is what really makes this game a must-play. The combat is super exciting. You've got a variety of moves at your disposal, from basic punches and kicks to some seriously cool special attacks. Each move has a great sense of impact, making you feel like a true badass. And as you progress, you unlock even more powerful skills, which just amps up the fun factor. It's a piece of gaming history that every true gamer should experience. So, if you've never played it, don't miss out any longer. Grab your NES, dust it off, and get ready to face the horrors in Phantom Fighter. You won't regret it. Check out the video on my channel to see some epic gameplay moments.